Welcome to Tammy's Ripping Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious mushroom stroganoff. I hope you enjoy. So what I like to do is prep all my ingredients first before you start the cooking process. It makes it a lot easier. So here I've got the garlic, mushrooms, onion, coconut milk, vegetable broth, soy sauce, Dijon mustard, some white wine vinegar, and nutritional yeast. Also some flour. First off, you're going to brown the garlic and the onions, and then add the mushrooms. And next you can add all your spices. And then you'll add your white wine vinegar and your Dijon mustard and your flour. And then it becomes a nice roux once you add your vegetable broth. And then you'll add your nutritional yeast, your soy sauce, and your coconut milk. And then you'll add your noodles in. Give it a good stir and heat thoroughly, and then it's ready to serve. And there you have it. We have a delicious mushroom stroganoff. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.